People are actually claiming to make money using Google Translator. And do you know the most beautiful part of it? A friend of mine that is in Kenya, who normally give me an update, reach out to me and show me his proof. He showed me all the processes that you are going to go through just to make money with Google Translator. Now, if you allow me, I'm going to walk you through on this particular process. Let's see if we can actually make money just by translating words or translating language in Google Translator. But before I show you this particular process that my friend showed me, don't forget to let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. You know how we normally do it. And also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So let me walk you through and show you this particular process on how we can actually make money using Google Translator. Okay, so come with me right now. Let me show you how. The first thing you have to do is to download your Google Translate. Yes, you can actually download it from your Apple Store or on your Google Play Store. Once you download it, you click it. Now it will bring you to this interface where you have to transcribe a word. Let's say, for example, a client sent me a French word and I don't understand it. Maybe a client sent me merci. Yes, merci is a French language, right? Thanks is the English meaning of merci. Merci is a French. This is how you are going to be translating every other word. Let me also transcribe another one. Let me say bonjour. Bonjour. Some of us know what bonjour is. Why some of us don't know what bonjour is? But right here, bonjour actually means good morning. So this is how you are going to know the meaning of every single word. Every single word you can actually transcribe just to know their meaning, in case you get confused in one or two words that is not your language. Okay, so now I'm going to be sharing you a website that will actually pay you. Once you apply, they will accept you and they will pay you for transcribing words. Okay, this is a website that actually pay you just by transcribing words. You can actually earn up to $1.75 per minute. Like every single minute you make use of this website, and it's fast to start. Yes, and you can actually start it in 2 steps. Okay, yes, they have 2-step application, and the beautiful part is that they are hiring over 140 languages. Yes, that means almost the languages you can find it in this particular website. Okay, now this website actually hire you to become a transcriber or a translator. Okay, so just by translating a word, you start earning with them. Okay, you cannot just earn with them, you need to apply, you need to join this platform. Okay, and to show you how trustworthy this particular website is that this particular website has been into existence, years of business, years of paying people over 20 years. Yes, can you imagine? Yes, and over $100 million people have been paid for freelancing job. Okay, just go through this write-up and read it. Maybe you will catch 1 or 2 important things that will actually help you. Okay, and for the payment method, this particular website actually pay you through PowerPay and Pioneers. Okay, they actually pay monthly once they pay you. Now these are the languages that they accept for transcribing. Let's say you want to transcribe from Spanish to Italian, from Arabic to Greek, from Nigerian Pidgin to Portuguese, just depending. Now these are the languages, these are the different languages that they accept. Once you apply, once you put in your details, once you join the website and start transcribing words, they will actually pay you with this particular words, and you start transcribing words within these languages that they have here, you actually get paid. Okay, now this is the payment method. Yes, PowerPay and Pioneer. Almost everybody is using PowerPay to withdraw their money. Okay, yes, so and they made it very, very easy and very affordable, very global, because a lot of people use these 2 words payment method. Okay, so you can actually start working in 2 steps and all of that. So I want you to make sure you go through this particular processes. And now the name of this particular app a lot of people has been getting paid is GoTranscript. Yes, GoTranscript have been into existence for years. Okay, here is what you're going to do is to secure and reliable workflow. Okay, you actually work confidently on transcription project with a steady flow of assignments and GoTranscript. Let's say you actually get a freelancing work or a survey work from this particular website. It happens to be that your client asks you a question, or maybe you are chatting with your client and it happens that the client is from another country, you are not familiar with their languages. Come over to the Google Translator and translate the word so that you understand what the client is actually asking you. Okay, for you to secure a reliable work, okay, you need to work confidently, show them that even though you don't have the experience, you can actually do the transcription work project. Okay, once you're working confidently, you are going to be getting a steady flow of assignments and transcript. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how you are going to apply to this particular website and also sign in. Yes, because I know definitely the comment section will be bothering right now. How am I going to apply? How am I going to sign up? But don't worry, now this is the beautiful part of how you are going to apply. So if you want to actually apply through this website and actually get paid, come over to this apply now and click on apply. Guys, there is a good news right now. This particular website, they are now accepting use of English translator. Okay, like English speaking languages. Before, they don't usually accept what English speaking countries. Okay, now you can see that Africans applications are now open. So now here is actually the English transcription of this UK. This is how many video minutes you are going to get from this particular Google Translate, and this is the average monthly earnings. Yes, the average monthly earnings you are going to get from this particular website, and this is the top active monthly earning. So now this is the expected earnings if you are going to be working per day or per month. Now these are hours you can actually work per day. You can actually work 4 hours in the whole of 1 month. You are going to be working 20 days. Yes, 20 days you can work per month, and the estimated monthly earnings you can be able to earn at the end of every month is $1,560 per 00 cents. Okay, so we'll have to go back to what we are doing before. So once you come over here, you click on this search, select the languages of your choice. Let's say I want to make use of French. Now all you have to do is to click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, it will bring you to this interface where you have to create a new account, because definitely you are going to create a new account. Okay, you can actually use your Google or use your email. Okay, but I will actually advise you to use your email because this is a confidential website and you don't want to lose anything. Okay, just come over here, put your email, your password. Once you are putting them, you click on create account. Your account will be created. Okay,